Do you know banana peel and cornstarch will make you a girl of 16, no matter your age? But how? We will need the peel of one banana. Wash the banana and peel it. Cut the banana peel into small slices. Put the banana peel in a saucepan. Add a tablespoon of rice. Add a cup of water. Put the ingredients to boil for 10 minutes. Leave the boiled ingredients to cool slightly. Grind the ingredients well until you get a smooth mixture of banana peel and rice. Filter the mixture with a strainer to remove remnants of ingredients that have not been ground. Add a tablespoon of cornstarch. Add a tablespoon of lemon juice. Mix well. Add 1 teaspoon of powdered milk. Keep this mixture in a jar. Store this mixture in the refrigerator. Apply this mixture all over your face. You can also apply it to wrinkles around the eyes. Leave this mixture on your skin for 30 minutes. After that, rinse your face with warm water and then with cold water. Then moisturize your skin with a cream or your favorite oil. The result is amazing from the first use. You will notice that the saggy skin on your face has become tight, and you will have bright and clear skin from the first use. Please press the like button. Thank you for watching.